Welcome to the process of the massage of the abdomen. It may sound a bit weird, but that is one of the most important areas that deserves massage. The criteria is very simple. If it is a situation of more than 40 inches for men and more than 35 inches for ladies, we do it twice a day or two times, any time in a single day in a span of at least 2 to 4 hours difference. But that's not really a criteria. You can even do it within half an hour, the entire process of the day. Typically we do 10 minutes each sessions. Exceptionally we make it 15 each. So what is expected in this is a thorough scrubbing of the abdomen area, and that definitely necessitates for men to shave their abdomen, or if not, at least trim the abdomen of the hair. Otherwise, it is definitely counterproductive and against you, because there is a very high chance of having folliculitis, and that is going to upset your whole program here. So we have a simple request that in men it may please be shaved. And why we do is a very important question. The obesity is being so common in the central part of the body. So what we call as the abdominal obesity has a high connection with diabetes, with blood pressure, even high chances of heart attacks. And henceforth, it is very ideal for ladies to be minus 35 inches and men minus 40. Having said that, there are plenty of situations where we have people getting into obesity or diabetes or heart attacks without even having more than 32 inches in the abdomen. But generally, we prefer that let us make our efforts to increase your metabolism. So the massage of the abdomen is primarily aimed at decreasing your abdomen girth, but the real impact is meant to enhance the metabolic functions of the body, because this kind of scrubbing, when it makes an effect of 2 to 3 inches of loss of the abdomen waistline, abdomen girth, it definitely helps in lesser chances of diabetes or cholesterol, or the lowered metabolism is getting much better out of this. So now we will display to you the abdomen's process, and I'll just be silent with very minimal words, but 3 very important factors in abdomen massage. 1, please make sure that you are not having a lot of discomfort. It's you to decide the pressure of the massage. 2nd, please make sure that the abdomen is shaved before the process. 3rd, please make sure that if you have any discomforts after the massage is over, it's reported to the therapist and of course to the doctors too. This will help us to do it better for you. The 3rd part also involves the discomfort of having rashes. We don't want rashes for you in the abdomen. We can always change the nature of the oil or the properties of the oil to make it easy for you. And people generally lose 1 inch to 2 in the span of 3 weeks. Now we get into the process of the abdomen massage.